Dem just sentenced a 38-year-old Nigerian man to death. This one dey happen inside Malaysia. This man wey im name na Olawole Olajunwon Gilbert. They charge this man for murder of one nurse. This thing don't even happen since 2 years ago. It be like saying now they just really find out the case of what really happened. This nurse now where this death happened to, this lady been there missing. They been they find this woman since, find everywhere, they don't see her. Later now they can't go find her for the hospital where she dey work, for the parking lot. Now there they see say wounds there her body, her chest, her neck. They don't wound her for there. Now there they come the reason say what to make this woman be like this? Because now for house now the last year. How come she can't manage, can't there for this hospital and she don't come die for there? Now there they begin do their investigation, and as they do this thing, now there they notice now this Mr. Gilbert, this Nigerian man, now there they notice now this man now he kill this person. My people beg, make now follow me watch. As I reason this matter, I just think and say, make it not go be saying an innocent man, and they won't go kill you. Because as the matter be, they talk say the only reason we make that they arrest this man is because of say waiting. They see the woman DNA on top of his clothes and in blood stains on top of this man's clothes. But upon the reason, what if the person will go kill this person? Where this man clothes, I be someone, it just won't link this man to this woman. Because as we gather our information, this man and this woman way that this nurse way that they date themselves. And the last time when they see this man, now for the woman house, but she come out for there. The CCTV footage shows say this man carry his leg come out from there. So how many person will carry leg come out there, keep person, can't carry the person again, go hospital, go dump and for now there, then these people supposed to do their investigation well. But if you be say true, this thing if it happen, maybe the time when this guy said go do my place, don't go kill him. Maybe later on I ain't go come gather with people, say they carry this body, go dump for them because now no people now. But I beg, what be the motive of what make you do this one? Say the reason say if you do this one to this woman, you go gain all her property. Be what you think. Because for John to decide, say yes, you kill person, it means that they don't do their investigation well. And on the Nigerians, now go no say to go all this outside country go they commit. And now no say they know the messy person. You go come decide say you won't go, you don't even go kill your own fellow Nigerian person. Or in both person say she don't even say now you can't gather mind, go kill their own citizen. I just say all this one go read, they go even join all this one vex you. Even if your penalty no reach death, they go kill you. Because now person you self kill. But I beg our Nigerian government, I don't know, now go to put matter inside all this our people where they diaspora, where they do bad things. Because sometimes they know they to do all this investigation work because people they talk to this whole thing will happen. They just they blame this guy on top and say, no be the guy even killed this woman. Say now another person killed this one, but just because of say wait, they hate Nigerians. Now what it can be the reason can't make them decide say okay, they will kill this guy. But guy, if you do this one, nothing I will tell you is then rest in peace. Because now what you find, now you carry your hand, go meet. Because how you go just decide, say you won't kill your lover. Person where you date, where you claim say you love her, you can't decide, say you won't go kill him. But anyway, make they shall approve this whole thing before they will go sentence this guy. Because it be like they don't they carry him go. But I beg, make they chill out small. Do small investigation. Gather this thing well first before they will go kill innocent person. For later they will come realize say no be this guy do this thing. My people I beg, I hear this one as make I bring and come. Make na service in ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.